If you're wondering how to include visual elements without slowing down your proposal, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to show you how to seamlessly add visuals to your proposal without losing momentum or clarity. If you've struggled with this before, or thought visuals might be too distracting, you'll want to stick around until the end. The trick is to use visuals that enhance, not overwhelm, your proposal. The key is balance, making sure the visuals support your message, rather than slowing it down or pulling attention away from the main points. You can do this by strategically placing visuals that complement the written content. For example, instead of adding a chart or graph just because it looks good, make sure it adds real value to the point you're making. One simple method is using visuals at the right moment in your proposal. You don't need to show something every other sentence. Focus on where a visual will clarify or highlight the most important information. This ensures the visuals add to your argument rather than create distractions. So instead of overwhelming the reader with too many visuals throughout, focus on just the key moments where a visual will truly boost understanding. Next, keep visuals simple and easy to understand at a glance. The last thing you want is to introduce a complicated diagram that requires too much explanation. The goal is to add visuals that make it easier for the audience to digest the information quickly. For instance, use straightforward graphs, infographics, or icons that highlight your point, rather than heavy charts or detailed pictures that might require extra context. Another key tip is consistency in your visual style. It's important to maintain a consistent look and feel throughout your proposal. This means using similar colors, fonts, and design elements so that your visuals don't appear jarring or out of place. If you're using our software, you'll find that it offers easy ways to maintain that consistency across your proposal, helping you save time and effort while keeping everything looking professional. If you want to follow along with this approach, I highly recommend you check out the software we're using. I've tried a lot of tools out there, but this one stands out for its ease of use and seamless integration of visuals into your proposal without slowing things down. The best part? I've got an exclusive free trial for you, available only through the description below. Don't miss out on that offer. Now let's talk about pacing. When adding visuals, avoid inserting them at every turn. Instead, keep the flow of your proposal focused and only introduce visuals that help with quick comprehension. If you're writing a proposal that's more complex, keep text concise and use visuals to break up dense paragraphs so the reader can digest smaller chunks of information more easily. Lastly, think about how visuals enhance storytelling. Sometimes the best visuals are those that tell a part of the story without needing any explanation. If you can use an image, video, or diagram that tells a part of the story, you're doing it right. Think of visuals as your sidekick in your proposal's narrative. Key takeaway: adding visual elements to a proposal doesn't have to slow down the process. Just be strategic. Use visuals at key moments, keep them simple, stay consistent, and always ensure they support your message rather than distract from it. Remember, it's about enhancing your proposal, not overwhelming it. Before you go, don't forget to take advantage of that exclusive free trial in the description. It's a great way to try out the software we're using to make your proposal building process smoother and faster. Thanks for watching.